What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We're aiming for 20k subscribers and get a deal in the description if you haven't already. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and that's probably because you haven't hit the bell. Thank you again for all your support. We're so proud of the amazing community that we've built. So we're just taking a super quick look at Hedera here. We are doing 8 videos today, but they're going to be very short and sweet because we do have a very busy day ahead of us. So basically we're doing all of your favorite updates, but they are just going to be very quick synopsises of what's been going on. But you can see quite clearly from this chart for Hedera that it's looking very bullish. It's actually performing quite similarly to a lot of the smart contract platforms that we've been looking at recently. We've basically done something like this where we've, rolling over, and then suddenly we pick up, we break the previous all-time high, we run up, and then we actually come back down, and we're trying to backtest that previous all-time high support, aren't we? And that's basically where we're getting to now with Hedera. It looks as though we have retraced quite significantly from that all-time high of around 58 cents, coming back down towards the previous all-time high area, in and around this 45 cent to 40 cent area, basically somewhere here, aren't we? And we're coming back down, we're looking for that support, and it looks as though we are starting to get a bit of a bounce in and around that area. I bet if we throw our Hbar retracement tool onto this, there'll probably be some significant levels as well that we're looking at. So if we just take a look at what's been going on here, you can see ever since Hedera broke out of this massive downward channel trend that it has been in here, it did start to pick up, break through our EMAs. And basically what's been happening is you can see these Fibonacci levels absolutely perfectly being respected. We come up here, we've got resistance flipped into support, we run all the way up to the 618. We come back down to our 038 here, flipped into support. We come up again, resistance, support, and the whole time, by the way, the 20 moving average here is forcing us to the upside. You can see how strong the support has been for it. We come down, support, 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 all the way down again, support on the 55, back up onto the 20. You can see here this whole time as well, the Fibonacci levels being respected. We've got our 078 here, basically being tested as resistance, flipped into support, and then obviously once we break the all-time high, we do start to run away with things. We come up to around, the 60-ish cent level. We get quite overextended, and you can see Hedera is just basically, it's coming back down. It's coming back down looking for support, isn't it? And you can see quite clearly that that's basically what the case is. And, today, currently trading at a price of around 42 cents. Bouncing in and around this previous level of resistance here. Maybe it can be flipped into support, and if we do start to do something like this, then obviously, like most smart contract platforms, Algorand, Elrond, Near, a lot of different projects are essentially forming up like this on the charts. If that's the case, then obviously we could be looking at some very nice price targets. So short-term price predictions then, just to round off, if we do roll over from here, we've got the 20 moving average coming in at around 39 cents, where you'd expect to bounce. And if we do have a deeper retracement, we've got the 55 coming up in and around this area of structure as well. At around, 30 to 35 cents, in and around this area, you'd expect probably a very tasty bounce if we did roll over that much. And if we do get a bounce here and we start heading up towards that 55-ish cent area, that would obviously be our short-term price target. And then longer-term targets, we've got the 127 at around 63 cents, the 141 at around 75 cents. We've got the 161 coming at around 95 cents to $1. And the 227 extension at around $2. And, considering how bullish that we have been looking for Hedera and how, the fundamentals of this project are absolutely phenomenal, we honestly do think that $2 is probably underselling it a little bit about the potential pump that Hedera could have. It's only around a 5x from the current price. And we probably think more like a 10 or a 15x is more likely, about $5 or maybe a little bit more. So that's it, guys. We'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with the 4 videos that we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalist.